One more.
Me not like no more.
Hold on there. Match yourself. Hold on there. Private jet outside and wait.
That would give
Yeah, ready, sir.
Uno think say a normal money fi drop G-Wagon. I wonder if you know say the uncle thing bigger than a G-Wagon is a Rolls Royce.
Memorable Sting performance was the first one when I came out in the full white with the white three-piece suit with the hat and the cane.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Yeah, man, in this episode we have a few videos to go through. We have Beenie Man arrival there in New York. Yeah, man, Zaga touchdown on the ground live. You see the crowd will greet him. People them happy to see him. We're gonna take a look at that. Also, we have Foota Hype away in pan Beenie Man show as well, and a comment on the new purchase of the G-Wagon. Yeah, man, a mad thing. We have that video there for check out as well. Also, we have an interview with Vybz Kartel with Essence magazine. We're gonna take a look at that. Also, we have Gaza, Crow, Shawn, Mad Sauce, Money, a fly out. You see me? Yeah, man, and them a burn a fire, set speed. We're gonna look at that, but first, we're gonna kick it off with Blege. Blege, bless you, ground.
Song what them say, them lick him up, them lick him down, he bounce right back. What a hard man for dead. And you that. Purpose can't dead girlfriend. You hear me tell you? You not dead for now. No care what them a try. It's only a matter of time, you know. You just a go through all of them things. But me I tell you, say changes are come you. Remember me tell you that. God not give you more than what you can bear. You hear me tell you? No care you see them a walk and a tell life on you. Them set up your life. Them do too much thing for try get rid of you. And you know see say you're not dead. Stop worry yourself, man. I want to you, man. Just go and pray. Because remember me I tell you this, man. You see, anytime you jump through all of them hurdles, yeah, hey, you go smile, you go shining like the sun. Believe me, you hear that?
Have a seat, thank you. I'm going to interview
One more.
Thank Right, that was it.
Alright, people say that a Beenie Man on the ground. Yeah, man, Zaga touchdown on the ground in New York there. Prior to the show on the 24th at the UBS Arena. Fans them are receiving real well. Can see that them glad to see him. As he reached them want to do an interview same time. Yeah, man, it's a good look. To see them are receive him so well, you know. Yeah, man, nice look. Alright, so now we're gonna segue over to Vybz Kartel interview with Essence magazine. It's a nice little interview. Can check it out, people, and let me know what you think.
Me the girl them want kiss. Oh, you happy them a wrist? May I say up to the time, you know this is Vybz Kartel, a.k.a. Adidja Palmer, a.k.a. the teacher, a.k.a. the world boss, a.k.a. Freedom Street. Uncle Johnny wake up this morning, roll out the ears before me start yawning. Turn round, bust a kiss for me darling, tell her say only me a touching on this street. My favorite Psalms is Psalms 91. He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I did that specific Psalms, I did it in more than one song as well. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's a powerful Psalm, especially coming from where I come from, it's Jamaican culture. Once you have purpose, you automatically have legacy. Most memorable Sting performance was the first one when I came out in the full white with the white three-piece suit with the hat and the cane. When you're gone, when we miss ya, you roll with the blame with the whistler. And when we turn you and twist ya, me get a different state of mind. Here I was all this time thinking they were Bill Gates when they were not even Bill Fence. DJ, this is giving Martini now. Bond. James Bond. They said I would never leave prison.
This man from 90.
That's the knowledge.
If you know what I had up on.
Alright, so yeah, here Vybz Kartel himself I give details and most memorable Sting performance. Yeah man, very iconic moment that in a dancehall when the teacher step out in a white suit and him cane. Place erupt. Yeah man, if you want check out that you can go back and type it up man, auto Sting. Yeah man, one very memorable Sting, and you know the next year after that was a next memorable moment again. So that's Vybz Kartel motto, just keep on setting memorable moments, you know. Yeah man, so now we take a look at the Gaza crew. Them a fly out, you know. Mooney, Shawn, Mad Sus. Yeah man, all bright light in the mix. Yeah man, I take a look out and see what I go on. Them a burn a fire, set speed. Check it out, people.
Haters, suck on the mother. Man, them I love watch man, suck on the mother. How this? A fucking motherfucking moon skull.
Big man, I dip on live and make me know that.
Man, I tell haters, suck them mother.
Suck them mother.
Man, I love watch man,
Yeah.
suck on the mother.
That a code.
Suck out on the mother. The man never. Oh, so another mad brother, yeah? Come get them a message. Haters, suck your mother. Man, I love watch man, suck your mother.
I'm so get them, man. I'm not ready for them yet, man.
You not ready yet?
I'm not ready for them yet. I'm so get them,
And
man.
this is who? This is Mr. Bright Tommy
Oh,
Carlisle.
I brought this. Oh, see, man. Oh, that's a go on. Oh. What up, bad man?
Haters, suck your mother.
No like me like how me no like me no like no more.
Hold on there, match yourself, hold on there. Private jet outside and wait.
That would give
Yeah, ready,
yo,
Simba.
the man.
No man, I still tell them suck them mother. Hold on.
Yeah, the man move.
Now address them fuckers I love watch man.
Yeah.
Man, them love watch how man address how man
Which part you go to Burger King? When you know have a Burger King, I want to go. Look which part with that.
I know the airport them go.
It's not the airport.
Them I forgot the one I poke man.
Blood clot airport.
Drive through half a dog. You know something upon them hype something with you? Haters me tell go suck them mother, you know. And man I love watch how man address. Suck on them mother.
This is not hype, bro.
I'm not ready man.
We don't hold the millions yet.
No.
We not
In the
start
US.
hype yet.
In the US. Yeah, cause hold it in a Jamaica already.
Yeah, let me see something.
No, not take out no.
Just stop no silver, me just like, hey, watch it.
Haters suck on the mother.
You don't know digits?
Man, you love watch man dress suck on the mother.
Look for digits.
Lick out on the mother body boy
You
and
like them
body
digits,
girl.
eh? What kind of digits them?
Yeah, man, don't show them no.
Don't show them.
No,
Don't
suck
show
them
them.
mother
They are
man.
showing over suck on a mother. Pussy.
Suck on the mother body boy and body girl.
But no say we're free, you know.
Fuck them never want we free so lick out on the mother and stop watching.
No say we're free.
Lick out on the mother and stop watching. Suck on the mother man, tired
Yeah,
down.
man, some batty boy or some boy when they dip on the internet, when they down the yard, when they go for a man page,
Like batty boy, I watch how man look and I watch how man dress. A batty man watch man. Real man watch girl. Batty man watch man. Suck on the mother. Batty boy. You say much girl me follow.
And we are all own and we are
You say much girl me follow. Me no follow man. Suck on the mother batty boy.
We never see no concern,
See
you know,
what?
all
Me
this
say
concern, you know,
boy,
with
you
the
don't
good
even
or
know
bad,
you're
you know.
batty boy and
Nah,
batty
nobody
girl.
are
Lick out
concerned
to the
about
woman.
we, you know. A few people that they know, but now we out, everything we do is
Every them have a problem.
and we
problem.
don't enjoy
I will not fair live.
like a 13 year old, you know, a little box, sodomite, and you know, I would still enjoy with life.
What do you mean?
know,
I will never
try.
suffer.
We never dare suffer.
Never suffer,
We never
sus.
make ourselves mad out.
No.
Although the psychiatric is semi kind of mad out.
Man, we mad before prison man.
Yeah, I'm mad before prison.
Alright.
Yes,
Suck on the mother bad man and haters.
But I'm not
Lick
ready
out
for
on the
it.
mother.
I see if I'm ready for it. If I'm ready for it, you're not ready for it.
Suck on the mother. On that note, we'll lick out on the mother. I'm out.
Which part? Looking at the plane now, who the first class? Look no, you not see a Shawn stamp, you not see a Pearl box. Couple Trinidad, couple GP, girls ask. Designer shoes are Prada. Tight old girl me rather. German vehicle faster. Everybody where they have to say Gaza. If I not straight vibes from no bother. But mine will I suck your mother.
Alright, so here from the Gaza man themselves. Yeah man, Shawn, I'm gonna mad piece of fire. No, man. Any man who 8 pound chance time right now, stop it. You hear me? I tell you, stop it. Lord, the Gaza man them. You hear me telling Gaza man them a tour down the place, them a fly everywhere. You see me back to back solo out shows everywhere. Yeah man, and the Gaza time right now is a good look. So you see if a new music video drop, Reason. Yeah man, you can check it out on the official YouTube channel. Bad piece of track man, bad video as well, you see me? I love it. I love the overall visuals. And I love the sound from it as well. I don't know if the lyrics them ever different and ever catchy and punchy at the same time, you see me? So it's a nice track to check out. Yeah man, so we're gonna take a segue over to the Jamaica the first interact with the Asians them when them reach a Jamaica. Yeah man, just hear what I say.
Irish Sustainable Seafood. When I was on my way to deliver some fish and I saw the police, the soldiers and some Asians. So I just pulled over to see what's happening. And then I saw like 6 or 7 men in a back of a police jeep. And then when I look, I saw one of the young men clutching a baby, no more than 2 or 3 years old. And honestly, my heart sunk immediately. So what I did, you know, the police kind of was like, get away from here, whatever. And I introduced myself to him and let him know I'm not here to argue. I'm not here to give trouble, but I saw a child there and I'm a humanitarian. And when it comes to kids, they are my #1 priority. It doesn't matter whose kids they are. So what I did, I told him I'm gonna get something cold and refreshing for them to drink because, you know, they're probably there on the scene maybe 4 or 5 days, I don't know, maybe weeks. And I went to my shop and I grabbed some snacks and juice and water and stuff like that. And the kind police officer allowed me secretively to render the food to them. And it's...
Alright, so here the elder reason this, I have to provide some food and water same time because you know the Asians that travel on the high seas, it take them probably a couple of days for reach Jamaica. We're not sure, you see me? So he would have to provide them with some food and water, especially seeing that there was a young child there unseen as well as a pregnant mother. So he saw that and took immediate action. Yeah man, commendations goes out to him, you see me? Yeah man, good call. But even though he was getting a pushback from the local authorities, it was in regards to his safety because remember these people just came in from outside of our country, not properly verified. So at the end of the day, the local authorities were looking out for his safety as well, so you have to keep that in mind. Yeah man, so now we're gonna segue over to Foota Hype. Yeah man, I comment on the bad G wagon with Beenie Man, and also I make some comments on the show. So after him get booked, ticket gone up, ticket price gone up, sales gone through the roof. Look at Hero Foota say, check it out.
Zine, how wanna tell me, tall man, GQ stands, how you never tell me say me are the hottest man on the planet? How you never tell me? How you never tell me? Tall man, me think say me and your friend. Me think say me and GQ stands a friend. How you never tell me say me are the hottest man on the planet? I first me ever see somebody on social media, Zine, fall back, not talk about nobody, I relax myself, and people are ball. So they miss me, them want me come talk about them career dry, them page dry, them not get no repost, them not get no viral. I first me ever see this. Mighty God, oh, you never tell me and me around the world. Oh, you never tell me say I'm my biggest thing for social media. Because I'm not easy myself. And everybody do video a drop out for me. Who not call me name direct, I chew a word. And I say, what really go on? I saw me the powerful. Hey man, mighty Father, how Foota Hype so great. People, since my post, say me add it to Beenie Man show, you don't want to hear how much tickets sell? You don't want to hear how much more tickets sell? If me did I wonder if me have fans, me sure say me have fans now. If me did I wonder if people want to see me, me not wonder. Me sure now. Me sure me can beat my chest. Beat my chest. And tell some little fool say stop chat. Cause them not sell no ticket. Some boy not sell no ticket. Some boy not depend on the flyer. Some boy not exist unless them talk about me. Yeah man, the ticket them they sell, but me I tell you say I'm more speedy buying a ticket I go on right now. Real thing are the people them where sell the ticket call me and tell me today. That's me I say, how Doreen's son so great. Mighty God. How can they fight a man like me? How can they want to fight a man like me? You can't worry about Beenie Man, man. Beenie Man alright. You know say a G-Wagon Beenie Man drop a Jamaica today. You know hear the muffler kick like one of them calico rifle. They will go how about the blood? Huh? You see how a Beenie Man drop? You see a Jamaican license plate on the van? You see I run a standpipe the van there? Eh? You think say a normal money if you drop G-Wagon? I wonder if you know say the uncle thing bigger than a G-Wagon is a Rolls Royce. That G-Wagon the uncle thing bigger than it is a Rolls Royce, you know. And like me, we rent G-Wagon and rent Rolls Royce and them something offering. A Jamaica that. For that reach down there and have a Jamaica license plate and plastic a tear off. Yeah, but Bentley, you can get all some Bentley for 80 grand. And them something that the G-Wagon, they are normal money for it. Plus, it have a ship a Jamaica and clear. People do not get it twisted. Beenie God. Remember, I just drop a Maserati from England. You know, you come like Beenie, I ship down a vehicle from every different region. So, it look like Beenie, I got drop a car from Canada. Drop one from Europe. Because remember, the Maserati are from England and the G-Wagon are from America. I remember him have the Benz before that, you know. The big Benz, the white one. Beenie a God. Beenie a God. Today, all who want to talk what they want to, Beenie win with that G-Wagon there today. And in America that day, and in England it there, and Jamaica. You go do the maths. Go do the maths there. And in a used vehicle that plastic a tear off caliper, plastic a come off a caliper, every. Beenie, you win today here, sir. You know, she say, to how Beenie go riches. Me have to go riches too. And show me red interior for my car. You know how long me not show me that car there? And when me see that, me say today, me say, Allah, you tell. What am I say, Shabba? Red interior? Alright, whoop. Pull up. Pull up and say, I want two now. Red interior too. And me and Beenie start the show Saturday now. So from Beenie go red interior, me have to go red interior. I want to tell you. I'm the viral king and the dancehall king. Suck with Sonny the Kid. Me not even a black here, Sonny the Kid. Me a talk about my car with red interior. And the DJ will book my car with red interior. Yeah. Me a talk about me and Beenie car. Who is you? Who is you, brother? These are the problem you have with you. You love say me a talk about people think me a talk about my car. And the DJ will book me for him big show car. Who is you? Me a talk about my car with the red interior. Not the Benz, you know. Come here, man, you say me nah no car, me no live nowhere. Not the Benz. Let me show you what there. My car with the red interior. And being a G-Wagon with the red. You notice me not say the G-Wagon of mine? Me never say my one. Me never say my one, you know. Me say because Beenie have a G-Wagon with the red interior. Me go pull out my car with the red interior. Me never say me go pull out Beenie car, Batty Man, suck good boy. Cause you must fuck man. You have to be a Batty Man. And must man you come over here come look. Where you defend? You don't even pull out a red umbrella. You don't even pull out a red socks. Me pull out a red interior car, Beenie pull out a red interior van. You come over here with a red interior tongue. Your period mouth you come and talk out. Go suck your mother, man. Me a talk about me and the DJ we book Foota Hype. We a talk about our vehicle them. Go suck out all of your man mother them, my youth. Tired of you now, man. Go suck out your man mother. That me I tell you. Me a talk about my own things. And my DJ friend things. Nobody where you come over here defend, you don't know, them don't know you. Me a talk about myself, Mr. Batty Man. Me a talk about myself. And my car with red interior. And Beenie car with red interior. You could have never won a good crepe. Bumbuckler. Suck out your man, mother them, man. I want to tell you. Juba, where you dealing? Remember when you say me now have nothing, I mean no live nowhere, I mean but me can still pull out Vic. And me can pop off title to and show them. Hold on. Oh no way there. Sometimes I too me not too wanting in my business, you know. But you know chat too much. Remember what year? The little boy was saying get him bat and play with and him love it. Trick or no. I'm telling about him buy Benz. And when well attack me. Zine say oh who have Benz and who have nothing. And I tell them say they pop out one of them here. One of them here in America. Real title, not lean, not payment lean title. Straight. Come here, straight nation. And this is not the Benz. Look good. This is not the Benz and this is not the Camry. Look good. Different something this. I don't know, one of them like that, more than one. Enough of the people them want to say own things. I want to say start trace with people. Ask them for sure even one of them here. Tell them for sure even one of them here. One complete title. Title. Me not talk payment receipt. Title. Enough of them will say them own house and they own car and all of these things. Tell them show a title. That me done talk to you now. Remember say, when you draw me out already, make me show my Benz title already. You know? I mean I really want to show a bag of title, you know that. So when you relax, when you hear me over here I talk about myself and I talk about who I support me don't want to come give me a chat. You hear that? Don't come give me a chat, man. You don't talk to me. I'm a common boy in America. Here. Yeah, I never common boy in Jamaica.
Don't know people are foot of that, you know. Don't know the man that hype everything through the roof, you know. Yeah, man, him also make you know, say, he is an important player towards the dancehall fraternity. Yeah, man, Foota contribution is nothing normal, so I have to give him commendations. Hats off to Foota, you see me? I look forward to the show there and Saturday to see how him deal with it the real way, you see? Yeah, man, so if you make it through to the end of the video, people, I just want to big you up and thank you for watching, you see me? Stay tuned for more episodes.